Dices and Cubes, Part 1, Quantitative Aptitude, Mathematics.
Hi, this is Sowmiya. In this session, we can see the topic as an aptitude for dice and cubes. Okay, how can we find the opposite sides of the dice? A dice has 6 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a number, otherwise, dots may be there. Okay, it has 3 conditions. The first condition, which means when both dice, okay, when both of dices has the common number, okay, two common number, so I can write it here. The two dices has the two common numbers. The remaining number is opposite side of the another dice's number, which means here 3 and 4 are the common. Here common is, common sides are 3 and 4. Then and 2 is opposite of 5. 2 is opposite to 5. Okay. 2 is opposite to 5. This is the first condition. The second condition, it has 2 dice as the one side. Okay, 2 dice as the one side. This number will be arranged in a clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, then you can arrange in the order, then you will find the opposite sides. So first I can write one side, otherwise a side in dice is placed in clockwise or anti-clockwise in another dice. By using this method from first dice, okay, from first dice arrange in a clockwise order. So 4, 3 and 6. In a second dice, so in first has 4, okay, then we can start from 4 to 5, okay, 4 to 5. So 4, 3, 6, 4 to 3 to 6, second dice has 4, 2 to 5. It means 3 is opposite of 2, 6 is opposite of 5. And 4 is opposite to 1. Here 4 is opposite to 1 and 3 is opposite to 2. Then 6 is opposite to 5. We go for the third condition. Here a number appears in 2 dice at the same position, okay, same place or same position. We can follow this, okay. Here 1 is placed at here. In another dice, it may be placed at the same position. So 3 is opposite of 2 and 6 is opposite of 5. the number appears same position in two dices, hence hence 3 is opposite to 2, 3 is opposite to 2 and 6 is opposite to 5. Okay, 6 is opposite to 5. Then 1 is opposite for 4. 1 is opposite to 4. That's it. These are the three conditions are applying by using to solve the given problem related to the dices and cubes. Okay, we can go for the problem. First problem. First one, a cube has 6 numbers marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, it has a cube has 6 sides. Okay, on its faces, 3 views of the cube are shown below. These are the cubes. So here 3 cubes are there. Okay, the first one has 3 sides. Okay, 1, 4 and 6. The second one has 3, 2, 1 and third one has 3, 5, 6. Here you must check that first and 2 dice. This first dice has a 1. The second dice also has the 1. Here it satisfies the second condition because 1 is arranged in a clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise direction in a second dice. And third one, the third one has the same number. Okay, the same number is placed in the same position. So these two numbers are opposite. So first is opposite to 5 and 2 is opposite to 6. Okay. What possible numbers can exist on the two faces marked A and B? Okay, I'm not drawing this. Here is B and here is A and this is 5. Okay. The two faces marked A and B respectively. A is here and B is here. Okay. So 5 is opposite to 1 respectively on the work cube. Okay. Options are, these are the options. It has 4 options. The A is 2 and 3, B is 6 and 1 and C is the 1 and 4 and D is the 3 and 4. Okay. Solution, first we solve it deeply. From first and 2 dice. Okay. From first dice 1, 4, 6 and second dice 3, 2, 1. Here 1 is repeated in a clockwise to otherwise anti-clockwise direction, which means we can arrange in an order. So 1, 4 to 6. 1, 4 to 6 I can arrange in a clockwise direction. The next one I can start from here in a second dice 1, 3, 2. Which means 6 is opposite to 2 and side of 3 is opposite to 4. From 2 to 3, from the dice 2 to 3. Here 3 is placed in the same position at 2 dice, 2 cubes. Okay. Then 1 is opposite to 5. 1 is opposite to 5. Then 2 is opposite to 6. 2 is opposite to. We already know from the previous 2 dices because 2 is opposite to 6 and 3 is opposite to 4. From here 6 is opposite to 2 and 3 is opposite to 4. Therefore 1 is opposite to 5. And we can find the A and B. Here 5 is opposite to 1, which means the 1 is not next of A. Okay, the A does not as 1. Here the options are 6 and 1, 1 and 4, and 3 and 1. So A 1 is not the next of A. A side of 1 is opposite to 5 because 1 is not next to the 5. Hence A is 2 or A is 2 and B is 3. So option A is the correct answer. A is 2 and B is 3, which means A is 2 is here. The opposite of 2 is 6. Okay, the opposite of 2 is 6, which means the next of 5 is 6. The next of 5 will be 6. It may be arranged in order. So A is 2 means so 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma so 2 is opposite to 6, which means so 5 is opposite to 1. This is in the order. So B is 3 means the opposite is 3 comma 4. 3 to 4. This is the opposite. Okay, we go for the second problem. The second one, two positions of a block are shown below. Okay, two blocks are given here. When 6 is at the bottom, 6 is at the bottom, here 6 is in the top. Okay, 6 is at the bottom, what number will be at the top? That means opposite of the 6. Okay, we can find the opposite to 6. Okay, here the options are here. So A is 1, B is 2, and C is 4, and D is 5. In which condition we can apply here? Okay, find in the dice. The first dice has 6 dots and 2 and 1 dot, which means here is a 6 and 2, 1. 6, 2, 1. And here second die has 6, 4 and 3 dots. So both of dice as a same dots appear in a same position, which means 6 is here and 6 is here. That means 1 is opposite to 3 and 2 is opposite to 4. So both has a 6. Okay. Solution. So 1 is opposite to 3. 1 is opposite to 3 dots. So 1 dot is opposite to 3 dot and 2 dot is opposite to the 4 dot. Which means 2 is opposite to 4. Then 6 is 6 must be opposite to 5. Okay. 6 must be opposite to 5. The answer is D. That means 6 is at the bottom, 5 will be at the top. 5 will be the top of the given cube. Then hence 5 will be at the top of the block. The next problem is third one. Two positions of a dice are shown below. Two positions of a dice are shown below. When there are two dots at the bottom. Here two dots at the bottom. Here two dots are appeared here. Okay. Two dots at the bottom. The number of dots at the top will be. So what the number of dots at the top will be. Okay, we can find by using the three conditions. Solution. Here from first dice has 1, 3 and 5 dots. Here 1, 3 and 5 dots are appeared here. Here in second dice has 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2, which means 1 is appeared in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So we can apply the second condition rule. From first dice, so 1, 3, 5. 1, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 to 5. In a second dice has, okay, arrange in a clockwise direction. So we can start from 1 because the first dice has start with the 1. So 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2 and 4. That means in a question, when there are two dots at the bottom, the number of dots at the top will be, which means 2 is opposite to 3. If 2 is in the bottom, the 3 will be the top of the dice. So 2 is opposite to 3. Answer is A. The next problem is, fourth problem is, how many dots are there on the dice? Face opposite the one with 3 dots. Okay, which means the opposite of 3. So here 4 dices are given. Okay, we can find from these 4 dices and find in each opposites. Okay, then we will get to clear to find the opposite of exactly 3 dots. Okay, solution. Must find the condition between 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first one has so I can write the first one has 4, 3, 2, 6 here. 1, 3, 4 and here is 5, 4, 6. Here is 2, 3, 1. Okay, we must want the number 3. Okay, opposite of 3. In first has 4, 3, 6. Here 1, 3, 4. Here is 1, 3, 4. Which means the 3 is arranged in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Which means here 3 is here and 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Which means 1 is opposite to 6. Here 1 is opposite to 6. Then applying here to here. Okay, you can see here is 3 and here is 4. 1, 5, 6. So everything is changed. The next one, here is 3 is okay. Here 3 is there. So 3 and 3 are at the same position in 2 dice, which means here 3 is here and 1 is here. So here 2 is opposite of 4. From second to fourth one. Okay, from second to fourth dice, 2 is opposite of 4. 2 is opposite of 4. So 1 is opposite to 6 and 2 is opposite to 4, which means 3 is opposite to 5. Okay, we can check. Here is a 3 and here is 1, 4. So 4 is placed at both of the dice. Okay. Then we can solve by using the first and second dice. Okay, we firstly go for the first and second dice because it has 3. This 3 it has 1, 3, 4. Here 5, 4, 6. 4 is arranged in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, that means 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Then 6, 5, 4. 6, 5, 4. So 3 is opposite to 5. 3 is opposite to 5 from second and third dice. Suddenly get the answer from second and third dice. So you must look at given all dices. Easily get the answer from the question. So 1 is opposite to 6, which then another one is 4 is opposite to 2. Okay, that's it. We go for the next problem, the fifth problem. 3 views of a cube following a particular motion are given below. So here 3 cubes are given. Okay. What is the letter opposite to A? What is the letter opposite to A? Okay, solutions, options are here. You can find. So K is here and K is here. H and H. Okay. We go for the first one has A, B, K. The third one here has B, H and P. Okay. We start from these 2 dice. Okay. From first and 2. From first and third. First and third. So B is changed. B is in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction to show the values. Okay. So I can start from B. So B A K. B A K in first dice. The third dice has. I can start from B H P. B H P. Okay. We can look at the second dice. Okay. The second dice has similar between the first dice. The first dice has K. The K is rotated in a clockwise direction. Okay. The K throws to the clockwise direction. So K is here. In second dice, K is here. Which means we can arrange it into the case direction wise. So fourth one from second dice. K is in the last. Then we can start from M, H, K. M, H, K. So K is opposite to P and A is opposite to H. B is opposite to M. B is opposite to M. K is opposite to P. A is opposite to H. From question, what is the letter opposite to A? H is the opposite to A. H is the opposite to that means A is the answer. Okay, that's it. So you can try this problems. Okay, you never miss the next session. You can subscribe this channel. Then only you will see the next video. Okay. Until see you in another video. Signing off, Sowmiya and bye. Thanks for watching.